This week on Maker Update, a flamethrowing skateboard, design concepts from Hackaday Prize, a dirt cheap telepresence robot, a military tool bag, cardboard rivets, a microcontroller guide from Make, and the biggest show and tell on earth. It's Wednesday, May 17th. I'm Donald Bell, and welcome to another Maker Update. I hope you're having a great week, and with any luck, I hope to see some of you guys at Maker Faire this weekend. I've been spending the week testing the kitty car and putting on the finishing touches. I've got a deluxe seat on there now and some stickers. God only knows what it's going to look like after this weekend, but it's pretty sweet right now. There's a lot of great stuff to share this week, so let's get right into it, starting with the advanced and almost certainly the most dangerous project of the week. This week, Instructables employee mikeasaurus posted an immaculate guide to adding a flamethrower to a skateboard. This is admittedly a dangerous project that involves flames and lighter fluid, so don't even attempt this without adult supervision, and even then, maybe shooting flames out of your skateboard is just not a great idea. That said, how cool is it just to know how to do this stuff? Mike is using a 10-ounce fuel canister, universal fuel pump, 12-volt rechargeable power supply, and a universal 12-volt spark generator. There are 2 buttons on the nose of the board, one to pump a stream of lighter fluid onto the ground, and one to trigger the spark generator, lighting the trail of fuel behind you. It looks so cool, but honestly, I would be so scared to try this. Mike says that with the small amount of fuel involved and it not being under pressure, that there's little danger of things going too wrong so long as you keep moving. Still, if you try this, use every precaution, have a buddy around, and a fire extinguisher. And now for news. Last week, the first round of Hackaday Prize money went out to 20 of their favorite submitted design concepts. This is just one of several different award rounds, and it's still not too late to submit a project for other rounds, but it's nice to see what people are cooking up. 2 of my favorite projects from this round are an internet-connected wearable heart monitor called the HeartyPatch, and a DIY cell phone signal repeater or femtocell designed for rural areas with poor reception. And now for one more far less dangerous project, although really I guess you could add flames to just about anything. Over on Instructables, Randy Serafin has a multi-part guide on building your own Telepresence Robot. The basic platform of the project uses an Arduino, a handful of servos, some wheels, a plastic bin, and a selfie stick to hold a smartphone, which handles the whole telepresence part. As the project advances, you have the option of incorporating shields and sensors, and the ability to pilot the robot remotely using touch tones. The whole project ties into Randy's free online robotics class offered through Instructables. Given the comments and pictures and feedback on the project, there's a lively class of people trying this project out, and it looks like a lot of fun, so check it out. It's time once again for a 1-minute review of a useful tool that I found on the Cool Tools blog. This time around, I'm going to be talking about the Rothco GI Type Mechanics Tool Bag. It's only $16 on Amazon Prime, and by using the link in the show notes, you help to support this show and the Cool Tools blog. Russell Brooks wrote a review of this bag for Cool Tools, saying that these are similar to the bags he was issued when he was in the Air Force in the 70s. They're made of a thick canvas with a heavy brass zipper, a reinforced bottom, pockets on both sides, and small pockets lining the inside. Compared to carrying around a big steel toolbox, these are lighter, cheaper, and they don't scrape or dent things when you put them down. They also pack down nice and flat when you don't need them. I wish the inside pockets would hold tools better, but at $16, there's no reason not to cut out stitches and rework pockets for what you need. I'm taking this one to Maker Faire this weekend with my angle grinder and some wrenches, and it's perfect. Even for non-tool use. As a guy, it's a good option for when you need a purse-sized bag that in no way could be mistaken for a purse. It's tough, it's cheap, and it's versatile. A link to buy this bag is in the video description, and you can see thousands of reader-recommended tools just like this one at cool-tools.org. Now for a few more tools and tips. This week I learned about the MakeDo Cardboard Construction Kit. It's a plastic rivet kit stocked by Adafruit and designed to attach and articulate bits of cardboard together. The basic toolkit is around $13, and there's a $10 add-on pack for extra rivets. It looks like a great tool for building cardboard contraptions with kids. I also just got the new Make magazine in the mail. It's their annual microcontroller guide that comes with a pull-out breakdown of different boards compiled by Matt Stoltz. There's also a really good interview with Lady Ada written by Gareth Branwyn. It's a great, dense issue and it's worth picking up. A few plugs to mention. First, just another reminder for those of you attending Saturday at Maker Faire Bay Area that I'll be talking on a panel at 4:30 called Amazing Tales from the Shop, along with Gareth Branwyn, Mark Frauenfelder, John Park, and April Wilkerson. It's 4:30 in Zone 4, so come say hello. I'm also excited to announce that starting in June, I will be officially joining the Cool Tools team and making standalone product review videos and product comparisons just for them. It's not going to affect this show at all. I just wanted to let you know because I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be cool, and I'll let you know as things progress. Maker fairs. We have Maker Faire Bay Area this weekend, of course, but there are also 6 other fairs, including Wayne County, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, Jackson, Wyoming, Tartu, Estonia, Vienna, Austria, and Kyiv in the Ukraine. And that's it for this week's show. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like that canvas tool bag, be sure to use the link in the video description here, and that's going to help support this show. All right? Thanks for watching. And if I survive Maker Faire this weekend, I will see you next week.